Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce account security after login challenge issues step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Salesforce login page. Enter your username and password as usual. If you encounter a login challenge, look for the Need Help or Login Issues link. Click on the link to access recovery options. You may be prompted to verify your identity through multiple methods. Choose your preferred verification method, like email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided for your selected verification method. If you receive a verification code in your email or phone, copy it carefully. Return to the login page and paste or enter the verification code as instructed. If you successfully verify your identity, you'll be taken to the account recovery options. Consider updating your password for added security. Choose a strong password that meets Salesforce criteria. Once you've updated your password, log into your account with the new credentials. After logging in successfully, navigate to your account settings. Review your security settings and enable two-factor authentication if not already set. Confirm that your recovery methods, such as email and phone number, are current. Regularly check your account activity for any suspicious behaviors. If you notice anything unusual, report it immediately to Salesforce support. Ensure that your security questions are up to date for additional protection. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with Salesforce security resources. Consider enabling alerts for any changes made to your account. By following these steps, your Salesforce account security will be restored and strengthened. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.